This video is to assist you in working the Google apps, whether it's Google Docs, Google Sheets, or Google Slides, or even Google Forms. First thing you need to do is to log into a Gmail account or log into a Google account. You do not need to have a Google account or Gmail account, but it helps and it facilitates it. So the first thing you want to do is log in, whether it's a Google account, like I said, or Gmail. Then you'll go up here to these small buttons, these small grid of dots. Clicking on that allows you several options. The option that you wish is Drive. Drive is the overall storage area for all of these documents and all of their different formats. Google Drive contains all of these things that you can look at and store. Instead of storing them in your computer or on a flash drive, it stores them in the cloud and the internet, Google Drive. Okay, so you have, you can see I have some in my drive. These are things that are just for me, that I've created. Maybe I've shared them, maybe I've not, but I've created them. Then you've got a drive down below here called Shared with Me. These are things and files and documents that others have created and have shared with me that I can look at, and sometimes it's just view them. Other times they've allowed me to edit them and be a collaborator. So those are the two main ones: the My Drive, my stuff, shared with me, somebody else's stuff that's been shared. If I wish to do something brand new, I can click on the plus sign, and a Google Docs, which is the documents, word processing documents. Google Sheets, which is like spreadsheets. Google Slides is Google's PowerPoint application. More, here's where I create the Google Forms, and of course there's several other that can be done here, but those are the four basic ones that I use. So once you're in here, you can decide what it is you're going to do. If we're going to create a document, we would just click on the Google Doc, and it opens an untitled document, allowing us then to do a word processing. It's self-contained, so everything therein, now everything you need to do very simple word processing is here. It's actually a lot more powerful than you think it is. But you can begin then with this untitled document that you can rename and you can type and do different things with. We'll cover that in another one, but just to review quickly, to get into the Drive area where things happen, you have to log in either to a Gmail or a Google account. Once you're logged in, there will be a place for the applications. You'll click on this, and you want the drive. The drive will open in a space or window such as this with your documents in My Drive, and then things that get shared with you in the Shared with Me drive. Okay, so that gets you into the Google application area.